What you need to say feels like chipping away at a mountain. But what if you could build a mountain instead? That's an annuity. It's the mirror image of a loan. Instead of a debt shrinking to zero, your savings grow from zero to a target. This is the engine behind saving for a car, a holiday, or most importantly, your retirement. The magic is you don't need a huge lump sum. You just deposit a small, regular amount. Imagine putting $1,000 into an account every year for 3 years. Your first deposit earns interest for the longest time. The second earns a little less. The final deposit has just arrived. When you add it all up, each deposit plus the interest it's earned, you see a distinct mathematical pattern, a geometric series. Luckily, we have a formula for this, which we adapt for finance. It's called the future value formula, and it lets you predict exactly how much you'll have. All it needs is your regular payment, the interest rate per period, and crucially, the number of periods or time. Let's make it real. You deposit $500 every month into a retirement account for 30 years, earning 6% annually. You plug those numbers into the formula, and the result is over $500,000, $502,000 to be precise. Now here's the incredible part. How much of that did you actually contribute? Over those 360 months, you put in $180,000 of your own cash. That means compounding interest added over $320,000. That is the power of an annuity. It's not about having a fortune to start with, it's about consistency. Time is the most powerful variable in that formula. The real lesson isn't the math, it's that starting early, even with small amounts, is how you build your own mountain.